Hey Hoopers, Karrie here from Current Motion Hoops. In this video, I'm going to share a move called the Hoop Hug. It can also be called the body wrap and has a few variations along with it. So what you'll need for this is any size hoop will actually work. In this case, I have an adult beginner hoop in a size 38. And what you want to do is place the hoop behind your neck, behind your knees, and in front of your hands. So you can notice that there's a lot of tension here. So what you'll be doing is grabbing with your right hand and pulling the hoop in towards your chest. Once it's pointing out in front of you, you're just going to stack your hands, releasing with your right, and bringing the hoop right back around to where you began. So in a fast motion, it looks something like that. You'll notice that when I go to catch the hoop, I drop my hand down and sweep it upwards to make that connection, as opposed to trying to reach this way, which is going to feel uncomfortable and not as smooth when you do it. So pulling in towards your chest and letting it sweep around. I'll show it to you from the back as well. So it's behind, I pull it into my chest, I change hands and reconnect. This can be a really quick move, or you can do it as like a slower. You also have variation opportunities to do a revolving door in there. Lots of possibilities. So this is with two hands, but we can also do this movement with one hand. So you can start in the same position here, and then releasing your left hand, so just leaving it beside you. And much like the hinge, you're going to pull the hoop to the front, bringing your hand right into the chest, where it's going to land right on your left shoulder, wrapping around, ending up on your right shoulder, and you'll be catching it back in your right hand. So in real time, it looks like this. It goes over, over, and around. I'll show it to you from the back as well. So I have the hoop, I'm starting behind me here. I pull it in towards my chest, it goes over my shoulders, and comes back to my hand that I sent it from. If it's not quite landing on your shoulders properly, a couple of things that you can notice is when my hoop comes into my hand comes into my chest, the hoop, it's about the 1-2 o'clock range that's actually landing on my shoulder by my neck, which gives me lots of space on the other side of the hoop, where as it goes around, it catches my other shoulder. Now we come in all different shapes, different sizes, so if you need to compensate a little bit within your movement, that is totally allowed and may help. So with this, as the hoop comes around, think of it like you're flinching away from the hoop. So you're leaning away and it creates this nice little shelf for the hoop, and then as it goes around, you'll lean the opposite way and it'll end up on that shoulder. So in fast motion, leaning away, and it pops onto your hand. This can be done as a shoulder wrap, or you can do this with your left arm out. You can do it around your lower back and bum. It's a fun little playful move that is pretty quick, pretty easy, and I'll show it to you from a couple of different sides as well. So with this, instead of us bringing our hoop into our chest, we're going to bring it to our hip, and it just scoots right around. You'll notice that I have to take a bit of a stance leaning forward and creating kind of a shelf here for the hoop to land on, and my left arm just goes out of the way, goes around, and it ends up on that same hand. I'll show it to you from this side. It goes around, and I just scoop it there. Lastly, here, and catch. Very good. I hope you enjoy this move. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you want to receive more videos such as this in your newsfeed. Thanks so much for watching, and happy hooping. Bye.